Hey guys, welcome to another installment of the Parrott Bros channel. Today we're going to be showing you a video on how to swap the grille on a Mk1 Audi TT Mk1 front bumper from the original 7-slat grille to the 3-slat V6/facelift front grille. Now I'll just pop a link up in a minute to our other video, which is how to remove the front bumper, as it's a lot easier when it's on the floor. And then we'll get going. So here we have the original bumper with the original 7-slat front grilling, and I'll show you in a few simple steps how to swap it over once you've obviously bought your new grill. And also, if you're interested, if your grill's a bit dull, before you fit it, it might be worth watching our other video, which is a permanent coating video, just showing you how to get your grill back to the original nice deep shiny black, as obviously if it's not new, it's quite likely to be faded over time. So right, let's just put this bumper on this tarpaulin I bought here. Now what we're going to be doing, you can see there on the top there's some squeeze clips all the way along there, which we'll be undoing and pushing forwards to remove the front grille. Now the bottom sits in, so if I show you on the other one, along the bottom you can see there's like little dowels and tabs which lock it into the front bumper, and then at the top you can see that is the squeeze clips like in the other one. So we'll get the camera set up so you can see me doing it on the front bumper itself, and then we'll swap it over and we'll show you the finished product. Right, so I hope you guys can see that. Let me just get the camera set up perfectly as best I can. Right, so squeeze clips wise, you want to squeeze, by pushing the top in and pushing the clip forward. It's worth doing a couple just to get a feel for them first. They're quite tight, as you can imagine. They've been in there for quite a long time and they don't really want to come out very easily. Just give them all a little push first, and you'll start to get a feel that they'll start to come forwards, and which ones will and which ones won't. So there's a few are coming already, a few are not, a few are getting a bit stuck. Right, so that's a good few of them, just the outer ones left, which are the other way. Right, so that's that half of the grill done. Let's go to the other side. Now, if you just gently push on the grill, it should just come out of its original slot. There we go. Okay, so when you take the grill off, underneath is some small metal clips you actually want to take off prior to trying to remove the grill from the bottom. As you can see there, see these little metal clips? If you just get a screwdriver, you'll be able to pop them all off, which will then allow you to lift the grill out, as well as these tabs here, which I've already popped out, and just tip the front forwards, and then you can take these metal clips off and the grill will just drop forward. So I'll just get the metal clips out and then we'll show you how to install the new one. Right, so now we've loosened those metal clips on the bottom and taken them off, you can simply just pull the grill and it will lift out. So as you can see, the clips sat just on this little dowel here, which we'll be replacing on the new one. So let's get the new grill fitted. Right, so what you want to do is get the top in slightly and then just give the bottom a good tap, and it just interference forces it in, and then once you're done you can put it down on the ground and then just make sure it comes home by pushing up all the clips at the top like we did on the removal process in reverse. There we go, that's all done. And then just give it a little tap just to get it all the way home. and it's got these little tabs at the back, which I'll show you in a minute, which just sit behind the lip of the bumper. There we go, and she's in. Right, so you show around the back. So on the V6 one, slightly different. It has these tabs here. There, look. See them tabs that just hook onto the back edge of the bumper, as well as the clips in the top, as we did on the other one. And then what we'll do is lay it down again, and I'll try and do this whilst recording so I can show you the metal clips. So these metal clips simply just push onto here to retain this dowel. You might need a pair of grips or something just to push them on. Just to push them home a little bit. Let's try a screwdriver. There we go. And that's it for you. Just repeat the process for all of them. I'll do a couple more so you can see. Just get a screwdriver, just pop it home a little bit. They're quite tight. There we go, and just do that the same on all of them, and then we'll be ready to refit the bumper again. So there you have it. That's the front grille swapped over from the 7 bar to the 3 bar facelift / V6 grille. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. So just a quick recap on the steps. We've got, let me just zoom out a little bit. So to remove the old 7 bar grille, you've got all the tabs along the top, which you need to squeeze in. Take the 6 metal clips off of the dowels underneath, and then simply push it out of the bumper. It's quite an interference fit, it's quite tight, but a bit of perseverance and you'll get it out. And then on the new bumper, same again as in reverse, however you've got the additional clips here which clip over the back edge of the bumper. Besides that, good as gold. Like I said, if you want to see a video of it being removed and refitted, click the link at the end, and then I'll put a pop-up for you, just so you can see how it's done if you're not sure. But thanks again for watching, guys. Please have a look at our playlist. We've got plenty of other videos on the TT Mk1, things like splitters, other bits and bobs, how to refresh your lower grills. These ones here, how to remove them, how to refresh them, how to coat the front grille, how to get your how to get it back to black. Sorry, losing my words there. Along with a bunch of other stuff. But I hope you've enjoyed watching, guys. Thank you.